and beauties. I'm Bianca Renee from the YouTube channel Bianca Renee Today. And today I am partnering with Ulta Beauty and IPSY. And I got these new bangs, I got some new layers, and they put a gloss in there to make my curls extra shiny. I have all this volume thanks to going to the Ulta Beauty Salon. I'm gonna show you how to go from a very damp, wet, boring look to this very fun, volumized style right here. Let's get started. Make sure you apply your product on wet hair. If your hair is dry, your day is done, go back to bed, maybe try again tomorrow. We need it to be wet so it can take in all the products. So I'm gonna be using some of my favorite curly hair products from Ulta. This is the DevaCurl styling cream. It smells amazing. I'm talking pina colada in a bottle, just like you're on vacation. So I'm gonna use this first and we're gonna evenly distribute this all throughout your hair. So this stuff is pretty thick. You just need about one pump. Rub it together. And I'm going to smooth it on the curls. So this is really important to smooth it. That way it's getting into your entire hair shaft. If you have hair that's even curlier than mine or thicker than mine, it's really good to do this in sections, if you section your hair in like 4 or 6 sections. So at this point you have to think about what your end desire is. Do you want really good definition or do you want really good volume? I like a little bit of both worlds, but I really want that volume, especially with this new haircut. So even though I'm going to smooth it in like this, I'm going to then scrunch it. So this is gonna bring that definition back to your curls. So we're gonna smooth and scrunch, and smooth and scrunch. Now since I do have bangs now, let me give my bangs some love. And smooth on those new bangs. And the top of your head. And you're done. Just kidding, don't freak out. So now I'm grabbing my DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel. Add a little bit of this. Roll it all together. And this we're just gonna scrunch. Scrunching it on our curls. Oh, it smells so good. Now usually, if you do want the perfect definition, or if you have maybe some little straggler curls that aren't as cute as the rest, you can grab it and just do a little finger twirl. So maybe like the curls in the front. I think I'm gonna do this to my bangs, actually. I have to give them some more loving now. So now we're gonna let this air dry for about, depends on the person, but we're gonna wait till our curls are 80% dry, and then we're gonna diffuse and get some volume. And now we're back with my hair about 80% dry, which is the best time to now use our diffuser. Big pro tip if you have curly hair, if you use your diffuser right after it's soaking wet, you will get frizz. So wait for it to dry, air dry a little bit, and then I'm grabbing my Devafuser. Now don't be scared, I know it's a little intimidating, it has a little claw. This little hand is our friend, you know, give it a little high five, and we're ready to diffuse. So I'm gonna put it on a low fan speed at a medium heat, and let's start. Curls are very gentle, so we want to get them in between instead of just blowing too much air all at once. And if you really want to get some volume, it's better to do everything upside down so your hair doesn't just stay flat. Alrighty. Now it's also good to now scrunch your curls in case you use the gel that leaves a little bit too much hold. You don't want crunchy curls. So just by going like this, you're really going to break up the cast and make your curls nice and soft and bouncy. So now I'm getting my beautiful new shape back where I just got my new bangs. You're probably like, where are they? They're coming, don't worry. So I'm grabbing my pick, which is every curly girl's best friend for volume, and we're going to raise it at the root. So you don't really want to get what I like to call your visual curls, because those are our pretty ones, but if you get, you know, the parts that nobody sees, it's totally fine. So I'm just going to pick this out. And if you pick down, you also will reduce shrinkage. And now we're going to use our fingers. Shake it up, ladies. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we have personality, right? Now once you think it's big enough, you're wrong. Always make it bigger. And voila. I am absolutely loving my new shape. It gives me so much volume and I'm still keeping my original length. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this made your curly journey a lot easier. I'll see you guys next time.